It's another delicious morning. Samahan niyo akong muli as I turn ordinary dishes to something extraordinary. I am your graceful chef, Chef Martinez. And today, makakasama natin ang isang letter sender from Calamba City na nangangailangan ng tulong sa pag-prepare ng something special. I think for her boyfriend and for the upcoming 2 years anniversary. So now, let's all welcome Miss Grabe.
Good morning, Chef.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chef.
What do you want me to call you?
Timmy na lang.
Timmy. So hi, Timmy. So this is like 2 years anniversary.
Yes, 2 years na po kami next.
But do you really cook?
Hindi po, yun nga po ang problem. That's why I sent a letter.
Oh, okay. So because of that, I'll teach you how to cook something special for someone special to you.
Yes.
Okay. So now we will be cooking a roulade of chicken, stuffed in a different spices, rolled in bacon. And now, Timmy, before we can make chicken roulade, so we need to have this kind of ingredients. Okay. First, we need to have a chicken breast, and then we need to have bacon, red and the green bell pepper, onion, and cheese. But of course, para medyo mas talagang lumasa, kailangan din natin ng salt and pepper. So the first thing that we need to do is, we have to pound this. Kailangan medyo mag-flat siya para we have to stuff all those ingredients inside. Okay, so we need to have a meat pounder. Okay, so paano siya ipa-pound? So all you need to do is para lang siya lumapat. Pound it. How to do that? Now, if you pound that one, okay, looks like this. So, after that, just make sure that yung side na to, ito yung nasa loob. Okay? Kasi, minsan kasi hindi siya kinakapitan ng something like salt and pepper. Okay? So, hindi nag-absorb. And then, just have to put some salt and pepper. Some salt and pepper to taste, just to taste. Put some onion. And of course, we also need to put some red and green bell pepper. So if you want, you can put some red bell pepper in it. Bilahin mo lang yan. Tapos, some cheese.
So yung pounding po kanina, para lang po lumapad talaga yun.
Yes, just to yes. Kasi kailangan natin siya lumapad kasi i-roll natin siya mamaya. Okay? So ngayon, i-roll na natin yung chicken together with the other spices. Pag na-roll mo na siyang ganun, just have to get some bacon. Do you know why I chose this recipe para sa'yo? Because, di ba pag roll, circle, surround, right? So, ang ibig ko sabihin ng circle is eternity.
Wow.
Para eternity is, you know, a lasting love, di ba? So, pag niluluto mo ito at matikman ng boyfriend mo, hindi yung sasabihin mo sa kanya.
I'm sure ma-appreciate niya yan and he loves bacon po talaga.
Wow, that's good. Now, so after we roll the bacon, so it's time to cook, and let's start cooking with Grabe. Okay? So, alagay mo lang siya. It's just a searing method, okay? I-sear mo lang siya, not too much with fat, not too much with oil, just to brown the bacon. And then after that, kasi i-oven pa natin siya, okay? Para talaga thoroughly maluluto yung nasa loob ng meat natin. Now, Miss Timmy, you can notice it's starting to brown. Okay, so the next step is just have to turn it off. Ililipat na siya ngayon sa baking pan. Okay. And then, to proceed, we will bake it at 350 Fahrenheit. 15 minutes will do, or 10 to 15 minutes. Kasi just always remember, pag chicken breast, madali siyang mag-dry. Basta lahat ng chicken breast, acquired chicken, which is easily to dry, is the breast part of the chicken. So, hindi siya pwede ma-overcook. Okay? So, ngayon mga ka-cook and steamy. So, di ba kanina nakasala na ating chicken breast? So, it's time naman para gumawa ng sauce. So, ang purpose naman ng sauce is para lalong pasarap ng pagkain. Okay? So, now we will be making honey lemon with basil sauce. Okay, so ito yung mga ingredients natin para sa ating honey lemon with basil sauce. Okay? So, you need to have a honey, of course, the lime or the lemon, the butter, chopped garlic, the chopped onion, and also the basil. Okay, so before that, we need to cut also the basil leaves. So, sa culinary naman, we call this one chocolate. Okay? It's a means of cutting any kinds or any types of leaves. Okay? All we need to do is just have to layer it out, and then itutin mo siyang ganon. Okay? And then you will cut it. After you cut, so dyan lang muna siya. Now for the sauce, all we need to do is to put some butter on your pan. Okay? May melt mo lang yung butter.
Hindi po talaga gamit ng oil.
No, there's no, mas malasa kasi ang butter. But it's not a problem if you want to use any types of oil. Pwedeng butter, pwedeng olive oil, okay, pwedeng canola oil, palm oil, it's up to you. Isusutin natin yung garlic and onion. Okay. So, we'll start on the garlic. Ayan. Okay. Just have to brown a little. Sauce kasi is very important sa mga pagkain. Just imagine na lang eating some caldereta without any sauce. Di ba yung part nila? So, eating some adobo na walang soy sauce or walang ano, it's very important in sauce. So, after that, we'll put the onion. Okay? The onion. Ang very important ng onion kasi nagbibigay siya ng panlasa. Okay? Paano siya nagbibigay ng panlasa? Pagka ang onion, na-expose na siya sa init, meron siyang lumalabas na oil. Nasariling aroma niya. Nasariling smell and sweetness niya. Okay? Yung kanyang sariling sugar. So, tawag din sweated onion. And of course, you will add the basil. Okay? And then, put some honey. Bakit may honey pala yung sauce ng chicken? It's sweet. Diba? Para mas lalong lang sa'yo yung kanyang boyfriend mo. Siguro ang title dapat ng pagkain natin yun is Food for the Lovers.
Food for the lovers. Tamang-tama po yun sa anniversary natin.
Na ngayon, lalagyan mo siya ng lime.
Para saan naman po yung lime?
Para yung timpla ng lasa, because honey is sweet. So, kailangan medyo meron konting sour.
Para ma-balance
natin yung lasa. Okay? So, Miss Timmy, okay, to add more flavor, you need to put some salt and pepper. Okay. So, now, tapos na yung ating honey lemon with basil leaf sauce. So, di ba nag-set aside natin kanina ang ating chicken na ating carb. Okay, so now, we're ready to plate it all para sa boyfriend. Okay. So, eto, ginagawa ko ngayon, this is for you. But of course, magluluto ka rin na ganyan for your boyfriend. Okay? So now, it's time to plate with Chef Grace. Okay. So ito yung carb natin. Okay, you can use any types of plate. So, our carb is the potato pancetta with cheese. Okay? So, you can plate it there. Ang ating chicken, anuhin natin siya, lalagyan natin siya ng take it o para enough to hold. Okay? Para mag-plate na siya na nakatayo. And then, ito, kakat natin siya isang side para makita yung feeling sa loob. O yung naman na nasa loob niya.
Looks good.
Is it? Yes. It doesn't only look good, but it tastes good. Yes. See?
Wow.
Makikita natin sa loob. With different colors on it. Ngayon, dyan natin siya ilalagay. Okay. Hindi pa siya tapos. Mas lalo siyang masarap. Together with the lemon, honey, with basil leaf. Okay, so this is the sauce. So you just have to put the sauce here.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. Para mas something special, and put some design. Okay? It's just a very simple onion leek. Okay, so now, meron ka ng isang dish for the boyfriend.
Sarap. Sobrang sarap.
Do you think magugustuhan ng boyfriend mo?
Definitely, he'll love this.
Oh, very good. Okay, so why don't you try it with our sauce? Okay, our chicken and together with the sauce. Okay.
Andun talaga yung lasa niya eh. Without sauce pa yun. So now, let's try it with sauce.
Perfect. It's another delicious day, mga ka-cook. Para sa mga couple out there, itry nyo ang easy recipe na inihanda namin ni Tini. For more delightful recipes, please log on
www.cookwithgrace.blogspot.com.
Okay, so for any questions and comments, and also suggestions, you can also email us at
cookwithgrace@gmail.com or visit us at www.twitter.com/cookwithgrace.
Okay, so don't feel pressured in cooking because I will give the solution. I am Chef Grace Martinez. Let's create a basic dish to a classic one. Only here on Cook with Grace. Have a nice day. And you can also blog. I'm sorry. Cook with Grace ano yan? Blogspot.
Blogspot.com.
Okay na yun? Isa pa, isa pa. Siya din yung only here. Here. Oh, sorry. Here on. Very, only here on. Sorry, isa pa. I am Chef Grace Martinez. Let's create a basic dish to a classic one. Only here in Cook with... Sorry. I am Chef Grace Martinez. Let's create a basic dish to a classic one. Only here in... one pala, sorry. Last na to. I am Chef Grace Martinez. Let's create a basic dish to a classic one. Only here on Cook with Grace.
Have a nice day!
Oh, sige, last na.